hanging the LED strips so that they uncurl themselves, I went ahead and took the connectors off the factory running board and spliced them into the LED bed strip so that it's a factory connection right there. So I tested it out and it worked pretty good. So I'm just gonna let it hang, and then we'll go ahead and install this bad boy. So I'm gonna attach it there, have it terminate around this area right here, and then run it along up to there and connect to the factory. All right, so it's been attached. I cleaned off this mating area with a little bit of acetone just to clean off the grime and stuff. And it sticks. That 3M that was on here sticks pretty good. I'll zip tie and tuck this up here. Yeah, looking good. All right, moment of truth. Oh yeah.